This is part 3 of the dirt bike stunts, and this time Ethan is playing. You know, my friend Ethan, my cousin. He's doing doing dirt bike. So let's see what he's made of. Oh, let me move up.
Starting off with some wheelies.
Yeah, starting off with the little old wheelies. Ooh, really?
Well, that don't look out so good.
So how you gonna get that out?
Uh-oh. I figure it out. I just kick it.
Oh yeah, you're gonna beat it up?
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
Quit, you're gonna blow it up. Here, let me get it for you.
Yeah. We need a tow truck.
Hold the camera. If I get it out, I get to drive it.
What? Thank you.
I'm so tired.
Let's jump the road tracks.
We're gonna do another 5-minute video. Did a 180. Pretty good. Jump the guardrails. Ooh, that's pretty good. Now, haven't you learned your lesson? You can't make it over them.
It's been a long time.
Why are you smoking like a freight train? How in the fudge did you do that?
Well, it's a long story.
You're dumb. Huh? Told you. It's done, Ethan. Ethan. The gas is leaking.
Is it really?
No. You guys see right there leaking? Well, it was leaking, but now it's not. It was right there underneath his boot. Zoomed out too far with the camera. Ethan, it ain't working.
Yeah, she's done. Stop. Wait a minute. How we come? Put some money in it.
What?
How we come? Put some money in it.
That's not even how it goes.
I gotta go get me another bike. Ow. Oops.
You are so horrible. Okay, you guys. Earlier, I let him drive my dirt bike. I said, don't blow it up or don't die. I come back. He's like, oh, somehow I got hit by an airplane. How do you get hit by an airplane when you can't even go that high? Not unless that he said somehow one glitched in and hit him. Is that possible?
Did I say?
I have no idea. But that's what he say.
There's one right up here.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Wait.
See you. What are you doing?
I can't even a dirt bike.
But there was just a dirt bike, you stupid.
Well,
Oh my god.
I gotta go get it.
You sure ain't got no 20/20 vision.
There he goes.
Hurry up.
Dirt bike too slow.
You ain't got no 20/20 vision, man. You got like 1/1 vision. Go. This kid is stupid. He can't even give a guess. Yeah, I got the mess over there. Sorry.
It's pedal to the metal.
I'm like pedal to the floor. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace out.